Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Courtney, and today I am going to be doing a mini haul. And guys, when I say mini, I legitimately mean mini. I think I have 7 items in this bag, so this will be short, sweet, and to the point. But I was super excited about some new collections at Bath and Body Works, so I thought I would come on and share with you guys all of the goodies that I purchased. Okay, so I'm thinking that we should just jump right on in so I don't start rambling off about everything else. But yes, I am doing a Bath and Body Works haul, and they had a bunch of different scents, and I initially went there for they have a candle chocolate chip cookie, I believe, but to me it didn't smell too much like chocolate chip, so I didn't get it. But I did pick up this candle, and it's 3 wick, and it is strawberry daiquiri scented. Let's see. Okay, and it smells delicious. It's just a really strong strawberry scent. This is what it looks like, just a regular wax. The jar is really pretty, very florally. Is that even a word? I don't know. Try to use big words. I tried, but it's a lot of flowers on the jar. Let me just say that, and it's really pretty. I love flower everything, so flower print is beautiful. But this is strawberry daiquiri. The notes are frozen strawberries, sweet simple syrup, shot of tropical rum, zesty citrus twist, and then natural essential oils. This smells delicious. And the candle initially was $26.50, but over the weekend they had the $10 off any 3 wick candle, so I purchased this. I love Bath and Body Works candles. I'm still on the hunt for my favorite, like my all-time favorite chocolate grams. This will have to do, and I don't even know, like that one must be discontinued. But yes, I got this one for $16.50. Next, I got the vanilla confetti sparkle, and this is the body mist, and I also got the body cream, and this smells delicious. It's a very strong scent of vanilla, and I love vanilla scented everything. Like sweet scents are for me. Sweet scents, and this is very sweet. And the scent notes in this is creamy cake frosting, rainbow sprinkles, and vanilla bean. I just wish I could let you guys smell. I'm just like, here, smell. It smells delicious, and it's really a strong scent of vanilla bean. I'm not even sure what creamy cake frosting and rainbow sprinkles. I guess it's just a play for like the packaging, which is really beautiful. And like I said, I also got the body mist. Next, I got, and this brought back childhood memories, okay? So next, I got the firecracker pop. And it looks like a bomb pop. You know, like when the ice cream truck used to come, and I used to get it for 50 cents at the ice cream truck. I used to love those things. And this smells exactly like the bomb pop. Except for here, they call it the firecracker pop. And its fragrance notes are red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berries. Let's see. I'm a little ashy, so I'm gonna rub it in. It smells so good. So good. And of course, with the body cream, I got the fragrance mist. Okay. And my last 2 items in the bag is this pink watermelon blast. And I actually don't think pink watermelon is a new scent, because if I'm not mistaken, I have a pink watermelon candle from Bath and Body Works, but it smells so good, so summery. Like all of these scents are really summery. This smells delicious. I wish I could eat it. Oh my gosh. But this fragrance is juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. They did really good with this one. I mean, with all of them, but this one smells exactly like watermelon. And of course, I also got the fragrance mist. So I got the spray and the fragrance mist for all. So If I had to guess, well, not guess, because I already know, but if I had to choose my favorite, it would definitely be the watermelon scent. And then following up is this firecracker pop. Let's see. Oh, this is my receipts, of course, and my total. So the body, what is this? Body care, I guess that's what you call it. It was buy 3 get 3 free. So that's what I did, and my total was $66. And when my total is $66, and actually the total discount for this order was $56.50. So that is really good. So I got 6 products. Nope, I'm lying. 7 products for $66. And I can only imagine, like, with the 66 and you add in the 56, that would have been insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Short, sweet, literally sweet, because these smell really sweet. So if you are still here, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.